Hello guys, I am Prathamesh Thorat and you are on the Pratham Codes. So guys, we all use the XAMPP here. So if you don't know, I am telling you that XAMPP is a server. XAMPP is a server which we use to run our PHP scripts. Like this is my XAMPP control panel. If I start PHP here and click the admin, then guys this is a PHP script which is running in the browser. If we start MySQL, then this is a PHP script for the phpmyadmin which I am running in the browser. So guys, XAMPP is not limited here. We can use XAMPP as a too many ways. We can also control it from our CMD like this PHP. So guys, I am using PHP 8.0.9. So guys, how I am doing this from the CMD, because it is not binded to the XAMPP. I have done this manually. We can also use the MySQL here and also one for the per also guys. So guys, this is very easy. So first step is to installing our XAMPP. So just open your browser and type the XAMPP there, and first result is our XAMPP site. Choose the download option. So there are too many downloads. If you are using Windows, you can use the last option, which is the latest. For Linux there are three, last one is the latest, and same for the OS X. So guys, I have downloaded one file here, which is the XAMPP latest file. So guys, this is this. So just run this file, click yes, and for the installing it will take some time. So I want to show you that steps. It is powered by Bit. Just click it OK, don't be fear, and just guys select all the options here while installing. Then choose your path. Then guys, don't do anything, just click next. It will open browser once again. Just ignore this and it starts installing. But guys, I have installed, so I don't want to. You can just cancel it, but you need to install it. So guys, now we have completely installed our XAMPP. So how to use it? By the CMD, like the this. It is time for response. Oh, I have shut down my XAMPP. I will tell this you later. So guys, firstly just understand how XAMPP is working. So guys, if we download our PHP script from its official website, then that package installs some files in our PC for the running. So that files are powered by the PHP. If you install MySQL, then it is also same, and Perl it is also same. So guys, XAMPP is a package with all of these tools and some GUI here. Like this is our GUI. So guys, now our first step is to find the XAMPP's package files. So where you have installed XAMPP, just go and find the package file. I have installed in the tools, program files, and the XAMPP. So guys, this is our XAMPP package file. Now you can see too many options here, too many folders here. So first one is the PHP. So we need to open the PHP and we can see a file which is the php.exe. So just copy this path and just open your search bar and type the environment variables. So you need to add a new environment variable. So double click the path I have added, but just click new and just paste it here. I have done this step. Click OK, click OK, and then OK. Now guys, you will see that our PHP script is running very nicely. So we will do the same for our MySQL. So we will open the MySQL folder, but here we will not copy this path. We will use the bin folder here. If you see the bin folder, then use it. If you not, then just find the main exe file, which is php. Okay, so just open your mysql, then bin, and just copy this path. Same process here. Just guys click new, just paste. You should click ok. I have done this step, so I am clicking cancel. And guys, we are able to see that mysql is also added. So guys, we can see mysql also added. Now we will do this for the perl. So we will find the perl folder, which is here. So guys, is there bin folder? So yes, open it. So there are some files, ignore those files, just copy this path, go to environment variables, add a new, means the into the path, just new, paste it. I have done this. I am not clicking ok. You should click ok, and then ok, and then ok. So guys, now we can see that perl is also added to your CMD. So guys, now we will see that how to use this. So I am just opening. So guys, firstly I want to tell that what is advantage of this. So if you open XAMPP manually by here and start PHP, then you need to put all of your files into your htdocs folder, which is here. So you need to put all of your files here. But if you want to open any PHP files from the anywhere, then you can use the CMD. Oh, and also to learn the real MySQL commands, so you need to understand the CMD. So guys, firstly I want to show how to run PHP. So I am just stop this. You can see I haven't running any of this. I have just closed the XAMPP. Now go my programming drive, and here I will type the PHP folder. Inside it I will create a new file. Just open with the code here. Guys, it will take a bit of time. So guys, there are some commands to run the PHP. These are same as the Linux. Yes guys, you can use the Linux commands for the PHP here. So it has opened. We will create a new file, which is the index.php. Okay, now this is our first, and just type the our first PHP code, which is the echo hello world. So guys, this is the very simple program. I am just saving this, and now just use the CMD here. So how to do this? Just type CMD here, and it is open. Or you can use the PowerShell. Sorry guys. So VS Code window also. So open terminal in the VS Code and just type the PHP hyphen S, capital S here. So here type casing is very important. This is case sensitive, and just type your address, which is localhost colon 8000 guys. You can use any of this port, but localhost is mandatory. So this is our address. You can use any of the port. Now just hyphen T, which is for your path. So I don't want to run any specific file. I want this whole folder. So I will type dot. And guys, here our server has been started. If we open our browser, I am using Brave here, and just type localhost colon 8000, then it is working properly without running my XAMPP here guys. So this is for the PHP. What if you want to run the phpmyadmin? So guys, for this we need our XAMPP. So just start the mysql and just go to the phpmyadmin folder. So where it is, where you installed XAMPP, it is there. This is XAMPP root folder. Now you can see that phpmyadmin folder here. Open CMD here and just type same command php hyphen s local host colon. I am using port here 5500 or 555 hyphen t. Now use the dot here, which is very important, and just enter. Open your browser and type same thing which you have written here, which is localhost colon our port. So guys, here our phpmyadmin has been opened. This is our test phpmyadmin, mysql, information schema, and too much, guys. But make sure that you have on the our mysql here. Guys, you can see that I haven't started my Apache module, means the our PHP server, but it is running. So guys, this is the beauty of the CMD. But guys, how we can use the MySQL? So make sure that you have turned on the MySQL here. But if you want to learn the MySQL from the CMD, then just do this. I'm just zooming it and just type MySQL hyphen u, which is for your username. So my username is root here, which is one of the common username. I don't have password, but if you have, type the hyphen p. I have a password. Without any password, I am just entering this, and guys, you can see that our MariaDB, means the MySQL, has been opened correctly. I can use the show databases, and guys, this is working very properly. I can choose the use test, and my database is changed. So just show tables. So guys, this is an empty set. We can use anything here. So there is one command to change the database, which is use command. So if you want to use the MySQL database, you can use MySQL and show tables to see all the tables inside it. Well, these are the tables. If you want to see users, then you can see select star from user. This is one command, but guys, it is too big output. We don't want it, so I'm just clearing my CMD here. So there is command which is same here, but instead of star I will type the user password and the host name. Sorry guys, it is only host, not name, and these are our all users. So guys, this is MySQL from the CMD. Now guys, we will see that how to run Perl here. So we have done it, so we can just go here, type the Perl, and it will compile which file you have give here, but now I don't have anything. But guys, I think you have a doubt that how to close the PHP server. Just suppose I have used this server here. Now how to close this? Just type Control plus C here. Yes guys, Control plus C, and your server will be get closed, or you can just directly close from here. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me out, and see you in the next video.